Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Topper Company. Welcome to our Living show. In the previous Living showroom, I introduced to you the 12 voltage air compressor. It has this orange automatic type and also have some small text. If you want to see the reply video, you can leave us a message and our service will send you some reply video links. Okay, in this time I will introduce to you a PCP hand pump. You can see at the table we have many types and many colors. It have black, white, yellow, green, blue, and camera voltage colors. If you have other colors want, you can tell us, leave us message. We can also produce other colors. The first type I will introduce this one. This one is a small type hand pump, but the material is also stainless steel. So even if in the wet environment, this type is also cannot easily rust. So the life is long. So first, this type you can see the pedal is cannot foldable, and also the base, the pump base is also small, and the pressure gauge is also small. But this pressure gauge is luminous, and at the night you can see the pressure easily. And this is a pressure hose with the small filter. See this type. This type advantage is the price is favorable and the price is cheaper. If you want to save some money, and you can choose this one. Okay, next type I will introduce this one. This one, yeah. This type is very hot, and you can see on the website, every website you can see this type is very hot, and the material. The material is. The material is stainless steel. I just said, even if in the wet environment, the hand pump is not easy to rust, so it with long service life. And you can see, this type is higher than this one. So this is a big one hand pump, and the handle is rubber. It's very comfortable, and it's a big handle. When used, it's very easily to use this hand pump. And you can see this pedal is also big. It's also big and also foldable. And so it is very save your space. And when used, the bigger pedal can make you more effortless. That means when you use it, it can save your labor. And you can see here the hand pump base, Topper. Yeah, here is our logo. So it is a big base, and if you are a distributor, you can choose print your logo on here. Also, you can choose your logo on the pump body, just you like. Okay. This pressure gauge, you can see, this pressure gauge is a big pressure gauge, and inside is have some oil, and it is also luminous. So when you use it at the night, you can see the pressure very easily. So, okay. At the bottom here, it with rubber, and also on the pedal, it also have a rubber, so when you use it, not will easily slip. Okay, this hand pump, just like I just say, it have some other colors. So this is the black one, and white, yellow, green, blue. Yeah. If you need other colors, you can tell us. And next, let Kobe help me to test this hand pump sealability. So in order to save your time, so this time we use test plug and let Kobe pump to a certain pressure gauge. Pressure. See, this is a plug, test plug. Okay. Install it. Oh no. So which color? So many pumps. So which color you want to test? This black one or the colorful one? You can leave a message on the Liu show. So if no one answer, I just choose I like this yellow color. I think it is very beautiful. So yellow color. So use this test plug. Okay, just pump it.
Okay.
It is very easy because the handle is big and the pedal is big. It is very save your labor. Okay. 好了。
你可以展示一下，我拿个近镜头给他。
Okay. Kobe you pump 11 times. Use this pressure plug. Yeah, 11 times. You can see the pressure has up to 3,000 psi. 3,200 psi. Just use the 11 times. So, okay. Let's put it on aside and after some minutes, let's to see the pressure if still on the 3,200 psi. Okay. On here. Put it on here. Put it on here. Okay. Next, some customers also asked me, can I custom the package? So, of course, we can provide customer the package. If you are user, when you use the pump, it is like this. It is common cutting. So no color. And no logo. Yeah. When you open it, see, let's open it together. Okay. See, like this. It has a pressure gauge, high pressure hose, and the pressure hose working pressure can get up to 700 bar. And this is the manual. If you meet some problems, you can read the manual or leave us a message. Yeah, this is the handle. And in this box, there have some spare parts. To see what is this? Oh, this is oil. This oil, when you repair the pump, you will use it. And this is cotton in this filter in this bag. And also have some spare parts. Oh, this spare parts. Some customers also asked me, when I use these spare parts, we also have a video. It made by Kobe, and we have made it. It about PCB hand pump inside the structure. It will use this spare parts. If you want to know this video, you can leave us message. We can send you this video link. Okay. Finally, this is wrench. I will use it when I install this hand pump. Okay, this box, the white box is what? Here, pressure gauge, bigger pressure gauge, and also luminous. And the last, see, hand pump body. It is red color. See, foldable pedal, big base. Okay, we just need 3 steps to install this hand pump. Even if I'm a girl, I can install it easily. So I will use two long screws to install this handle. See, in the spare plug, it has 2 screws, long screws. See. Oh. Also, we need this small wrench. See, this, and install this handle. See, screw. Oh, it is very easy. I can easily install one, install another. Just screw the 2 screws. Okay, use this small wrench. Here. It is very easy. Tighten it. Another one. Okay. Okay, the handle is already. Next, install the pressure gauge. It's also very easy. Okay, use this wrench, tighten it. And finally, install the high pressure hose here. See, also we need to use this wrench to and tighten it. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's very easy. I just use the 3 steps and install this hand pump. So, if you like this hand pump, you can leave us a message. We can check the cost and you can buy from us. Okay, it has some minutes. Let's to see, copy test this type of the sealability. Just copy pump it to 3,200 psi. I remember. Okay. Okay, I can see it is still in the 3,200 psi. It have passed some minutes. It's still at this same pressure. Okay, so this hand pump sealability is very well. If when you use it have some it not at the same pressure, it must somewhere leak air. You just use this wrench and tighten here or others. If you can't solve it, you can contact us. We can help you solve it. Okay, this is this type, and we also have another type, and it is this one. See, you can see here is have drying agent. Yeah, the air inlet from here and outlet from here. Yeah, this type. You can see this type. The color is camouflage colors. Yeah, it's very beautiful. And the paddle is also butterfly paddle, and also very big. This paddle is also very big. It's more effortless. Okay. Also with the bigger pressure gauge. Okay, it's not tighten. I can tighten it. Okay, pressure, high pressure hose, and big base. The paddle also can foldable. Okay, this type. Because it with the dragging agent, so this type can protect your cylinders very well. Okay, this is a PCP hand pump. We not have 3 types, and every type in the inside, it is very important. In the inside, we have the cooling water. Yeah, inside we have cooling water. We have a radio showing the inside. You can leave us message, or service will send you the video link. You can see more details. And you can see this house with filter and this house with no filter. Yeah, this house is also no filter. We can equate the filters, small filter or bigger filters. Bigger filters is this, the big one. See, this is the big one and this is the small one. Just choose you like. And if you live on the coast and the environment is humid, I think you should choose this one. The filter can protect your gas cylinders very well. It is necessary. Okay. Today, the reviewing show will end, and if you have a message, you can leave. If you have problems, you can leave us message, and you can follow us. We have a new type PCP hand pump on the next week. We will introduce to you, and we prepared a surprise for you. So just follow us, and see you next week. Okay, bye bye.